Beef and barley soup recipe. Origin and brief history. Beef and barley soup has ancient roots, with barley being one of the first grains cultivated by humans over 10,000 years ago. This hearty soup, combining tender beef and barley, has long been a staple in European and Middle Eastern cuisines, celebrated for its nutritional value and ability to provide warmth and sustenance during cold weather. It's now enjoyed worldwide as a comforting and wholesome meal. Want to nail this technique in under 4 minutes? Today we're making a delicious beef and barley soup that's perfect for any occasion. This hack will save you hours. For the soup you'll need 1 pound beef stew meat cut into small cubes, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 large onion chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 medium carrots sliced, 2 celery stalks sliced, 1 cup pearl barley rinsed and drained, 6 cups beef broth, 1 cup water optional for adjusting consistency, 1 can, 14 ounces diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste, half a teaspoon black pepper. You'll also need a large pot or Dutch oven, a wooden spoon, a cutting board, a knife, a ladle. Heat olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Season the beef cubes with salt and pepper. Add the beef to the pot and sear on all sides until browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same pot, add the onions, carrots, and celery. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for another minute. Return the seared beef to the pot, stir in the beef broth, diced tomatoes, thyme, parsley, and bay leaves. Add the rinsed pearl barley to the pot and stir well. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours, stirring occasionally. Check the soup for seasoning and adjust with salt and pepper if needed. If the soup is too thick, add water to reach your desired consistency. Remove the bay leaves before serving. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or a drizzle of olive oil for extra flavor. For deeper flavor, use bone-in beef, or add a beef marrow bone to the soup while simmering. Rinse the barley thoroughly to remove excess starch and prevent the soup from becoming overly thick. This soup tastes even better the next day, as the flavors develop overnight. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a nice day.